Okay, we're going to track objects in Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve and see how easy it is to put text behind a subject. So in Premiere Pro, you have your clip, make sure it is unlinked, and you Option or Alt click drag up 2 levels. Select your upper clip here, then select Object Mask Tool, click, Option Alt click to select more of the subject. Now you want to go into your effects settings and you click track forward, and you want to click track backwards. And now object mask, you need to drag that down to opacity. So now when we go into our text and we drag it in between, we have our text behind our subject. I'm going to move that one up a little bit more. So in DaVinci Resolve, similar but different, we're going to duplicate our file, drag it to the 3rd level. We're going to go into color. I'm going to mute this one just to make sure we're on that one. And we are going to go to our AI magic mask. And we click a few buttons around where we want it to work. To test the mask, we go like that. We click right up here. You can see there's a little bit that hasn't been masked out, but we'll leave that for now. And then the same thing, you track forward and you track backwards. Now we have our file and we still don't see a transparent background, so what we need to do is right click, add alpha output, drag to there. Now we have our transparent background, and we enable the bottom layer and go into effects, titles, text. We'll create the text right here, make it bigger, drag it in between, move it up a bit. So Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, about the same amount of difficulty. Premiere Pro is a little bit faster. DaVinci Resolve took a little bit longer to track. There may be one little more step, but it's basically the same in terms of ease of use.